What's going on, guys? Mixed here, back again for another Halloween cocktail series. So as you can see, once more the mic has not worked, so what we're doing is a nice director's cut. So to get started, the cocktail that's in here is we are doing the Bloody French 75. Because I'm just going through the history, because it's a nice cocktail, this one. Really recommend it. Because it's a gin, it's got gin, cranberry, lemon juice, and it's also got champagne to top it up with, and it's also just a nice little bit of simple syrup to give it that little bit of a sweet touch. So what we're doing there is putting in 4 to 5 ice cubes into a tin shaker. So we are putting in 30ml or 1 ounce of a gin. Next is 22.5ml or 3/4 of an ounce of fresh lemon juice. Next is 22.5ml, 3/4 of an ounce of cranberry juice. What we're putting in now is simple or sugar syrup, so 50ml or half an ounce into the tin shaker. One thing I will say with the Halloween, because it's my favourite cocktail series of the year. Absolutely love doing these. So what we're going to do now is shake the tin for 8 to 10 seconds to get nice and chilled. What we're doing now is getting our champagne flute out, and what we're going to do now is just strain straight into it. So one thing you will notice with this cocktail is because there's a nice it's like a nice bloody pink colour. And what we do now is top it with champagne. So this is 90ml or 3 ounces of champagne. Because with this cocktail, just got to be a little bit patient as you pour in the champagne, because it's very fizzy. It'll fizz up very quickly, as you can see from what I'm doing right now. So we're just putting a little bit more now, just to top it up right to the brim. And what we're going to do now is add a garnish. So with this is like a very solid grenadine syrup. So what we did to make this is just put it in like a frying pan. So say you put in your grenadine, put in a little bit of sugar. So say you put it on the maximum heat, and then you just let it cool down, and that is the effect. Gives it that nice Halloween effect, because it looks like blood, but it's very sweet. As you see, that will turn this drink pure red as you sip through it, through the grenadine. Because I just love the colour of it. I loved how this cocktail has turned out. We're just getting a little bit of a taste test here. And the thing that hits me straight away is the sweetness. You can say my eyebrows are raised there, because it's this very sweet cocktail, and with the grenadine, it just creates that absolutely lovely effect. It just sip through, because you can see the cocktail changing colours as it mixes in with the grenadine, and it's one of those you can easily enjoy it. If you want it for Halloween cocktails, a Halloween party, this is the perfect Halloween cocktail. It's a nice effect. It looks very pretty. It's very presentable. It ticks all the boxes. This is a perfect Halloween cocktail. I just love how it's turned out. It's turned out very effective. For me, it's a solid 8 out of 10. One of my favourite ones that I've made in the past would be a Black Widow, but this is up there. I love everything about it, from the garnish to the taste. It's just very amazing. It's got a little bit of sweet to it, but this is very nicely balanced, not overly sweet. But what we're going to do now, it's an early start to the Halloween cocktail series, and what we're going to do now is just continue on with the series. And if you're new around here, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to Mix It for more Halloween cocktails like this, and I will see you guys in the next one.